How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we'll know about wild animals. Friends, do you know what are wild animals? Some animals live in forests. They are called wild animals. Let's start. This is bear. B for bear. These are chimpanzee. C for chimpanzee. This is elephant. E for elephant. This is giraffe. G for giraffe. This is hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. This is kangaroo. K for kangaroo. This is lion. L for lion. This is rhinoceros. R for rhinoceros. Friends, do you know what is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. This is a tiger. T for tiger. This is a wolf. W for wolf. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you, friends. You watch this video carefully. Bye bye, friends.
Bye bye, friends.